There are three main FPV systems that are out there: analog, HD0 or SharkBite, and DJI. This first one that you are seeing right now is analog. Analog is what we put on our Cobras. This is our normal stock FPV system that we use. We also felt like HD video was something that would eventually become popular, so we wanted to give you an example of what something like that might look like. This video that now is showing is HD0, or also called SharkBite. This is a 720 basically display. And works well with others, plays well in group environments. That's why we are incorporating it into our racing packages. But again, it is HD video, and so therefore it makes it much easier to see what's going on. Analog is a little bit more grainy. It's the old school ghosting, and you won't get that as much with HD0. Now, this is actually me flying at my house, but it is an example of DJI video. The reason that I don't have racing video is because DJI does not really play well with others. It is not very good for the group environment. The way that the goggles transmit and receive, and then the modulation that the air units do, make it so that it is not the best FPV system for group environments. But as you can see, it is definitely above and beyond when it comes to the video quality. I usually, when telling others, refer to DJI video as 1080p, and then HD0 or SharkBite I reference as 720p as good examples of what video quality looks like. But I wanted to put something out so that you could get an idea to help you better make your selection on the FPV systems that you would like to use. If you think that you will only be racing and that's it, and you are an economical school looking to save some money, analog is the way to go. It's the easiest way to incorporate pilots. It's the least hassle, but it does present certain things like interference and ghosting and static and that sort of thing. HD0 is if you wanted to do HD video but still use it within racing. It's kind of a happy medium because you could use it for racing, but then you could also put HD0 SharkBite on other quads and get HD video from those as well. And then lastly, the DJI systems are more potentially cinematic type scenarios. Your small cinema drones or Cinewhoops would be using DJI. If you actually happen to catch a shadow of the drone that I am flying, that's what I'm using, as a Cinewhoop type drone. But and as you can see, it's good for proximity and that sort of thing. But mainly I just wanted to put out a video showing you the differences, and each one of these systems OnPoynt can put on any of our drones. So if that interests you, please reach out and let us know. And thank you very much.